Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Sandy Lynn, and this is part of my Christmas series, and I'm bringing you my Nativity. After all, that is the reason for the season, the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. So I'm going to show you my Nativity that I arranged here on my shelf in a back bedroom. The Nativity I've had for years. I did have to split it up to put it on the shelf. And I placed baby Jesus with a lamb's ear wreath around him. And here's a close-up of Joseph. Very detailed. And I did add the lamb. That was not part of the Nativity. I just added that later. And Mary is just quite beautiful. My mother had gotten this for me years ago. And here's the second shelf. It has one of the kings, a little shepherd boy with a little lamb that he's carrying. And I put some shredded paper to look like straw. I just love this nativity. It's the first time I put it on the shelf. And of course, here is the angel. That belonged to my mother as well. I believe she got me the nativity set at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. I'm not 100% sure because it's been 20 plus years that she had bought that for me. And here is the third shelf with a very handsome camel. He was part of the nativity. I had to split the king that was riding him. He was just too tall to put in the shelf. Here is the third king. The king that rides the camel is on the very top shelf. You'll see him here in a second. And another little camel. And I just noticed he's missing a leg. He's a three-legged camel. Here is the top shelf. Now here is the king that is supposed to sit on the camel. But like I said, he was too tall, so I just placed him on top. And I think he looks good up there. I kind of like the way his leg hangs through the caged shelf. And here's a little nativity, a little gold nativity. I've had that for years as well. It's a little ornament. Okay, well, I appreciate everyone watching. Please stay tuned for all my Christmas series videos that will be coming up. I have quite a few of them. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming Christmas videos. Again, thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to. I appreciate it so much. Leave me a comment. Bye-bye for now.